Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best cordless 23 gauge pin nailers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the NP35A Hitachi Pin Nailer 23 gauge. Every passionate craftsman licks the Hitachi pin nailer out there. The product is outstanding when it comes to performance. If you have tried working before with pin nailers, you have faced some jamming issues. But with this one, you won't ever have to deal with the boring jammed issue. After you have effortlessly loaded the pin, you can use the tool with the ultimate case. It is lightweight, only 2 pounds. This product offers exciting safety features. Adjustable depth is simply with this appliance. You can change it within a second. The equipment saves you time and is easy to use. Moving on, at number 4, we have the 12 volts Lithium-Ion cordless Makita TP03Z. This is a compact designed nail gun that is powerful and cordless so that you can move it around your worksite with great ease. This is perfect for those that might be doing work out of the shop. This pin nailer comes with 6 different lengths of pins from 5/8 to 1-3/8. It offers an anti-dry fire mechanism that does help to reduce driving blanks, and also potentially damage the surface you are working on. It also has tool-less depth adjustment features so that you can countersink your pins easily. This is a great wireless pin nailer for those people who want high quality and power. At number 3, we have the Metabo HPT NP35A Pin Nailer Kit. Metabo HPT is a perfect 23-inch pin nailer for virtually invisible holes. It comes with several features that make the model popular in the market. The Metabo offers a narrow nose, which is ideal for performing some small tasks. This pin nailer gives you the power and versatility while it is still one of the affordable prices to use. You can use this for a variety of types of services. Therefore, the gun is an ideal choice for beginner users. Its remarkable lightweight structure and also durable with steel structure makes it super for long tasks. At number 2, we have the Bostitch Cordless Pin Nailer, HP118K. Bostitch HP118K is one of the popular equipment. The product comes with all the features you will need in a gauge pin nailer. It has safety features with dual triggers. Also, it offers exhaust and has an amazingly attractive outlook. Are you worried about jamming? Then you are in the right place. This particular product will never jam issue. You can easily use it for a long period. This lightweight pin nailer won't cause damage to your wood either. We recommend not using this product on softwood as long as you use moderate depth wood. This cordless pin nailer for you. And finally, at number 1, we have the PP123 Freeman Pneumatic 23 gauge. Are you looking for a durable, modern pin nailer? This one will tick all your boxes. It weighs only 3 pounds. It is a smaller size than other bulky equipment you use in your workshop. This low weight makes this pin nailer extremely so much easier to use. The product is very durable, and its body is made all of the aluminum. If you are a professional, you can easily use this for all kinds of projects. There are safety features for the trigger and included the on or off the trigger system. The price is lower than the other cordless pin nailer. So, if you are looking for something that is highly budget friendly, this is the perfect pick for you. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.